Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be showing you the most important tips and tricks for your Realme pad. By the way, I've already posted a dedicated video for the best features of the Realme pad, where I've talked about all the features offered by this tablet. So definitely check out that video as well. Link will be in the description. Now with that said, first I'll start off with the navigation gestures. On this phone, it's called as swipe gestures from both sides, and once you turn it on, you get some extra options at the bottom. Make sure you enable switch to previous app toggle and vibrate on back navigation toggle. And once you're done, this is how the navigation gestures work. To go home, you can swipe from the bottom of the screen. For recent apps, you can swipe and hold. Now to go back a step, you can swipe from the left side or the right side and it takes back a step. Next we have dark mode. You can enable it from the notification toggles or directly from the display settings. And once you enable the dark mode, all the system UI elements change to dark mode. Even some of the stock applications like phone dialer, messaging application also change to dark mode, and even some Google applications like Play Store or YouTube switch to the dark mode automatically. Dark mode helps your phone look much more cooler, helps you save some battery, and puts less strain on your eyes at night. Next, I'm going to show you different ways to take a screenshot on this phone. So first we have the normal way where we can use the buttons. Just press the volume down and power button both at the same time to take a screenshot. Next we have 3-finger screenshot gesture. Now this feature is enabled by default. To take a screenshot, you can just swipe down using 3 fingers and your phone will take a screenshot. It's just like pressing the buttons, but instead of pressing the buttons, you just need to swipe down using 3 fingers and your phone will take a screenshot. Personally, this is my favorite way to take a screenshot. Next, I'm going to show you some camera gestures. First we have touch. Once you enable this feature, we can take a picture by just touching the preview screen. It works for both the rear camera and even for selfies. Next, we have some important screen off gestures. We have things like double tap to wake. We can also draw a note to open the camera application. Next, we can draw a V to turn on the flash. We also have more like music controls and custom shortcuts. But most of the time, I just draw V to turn on the flash. And to turn it off, we can press the power button. Next, I'm going to show you digital well-being. Now this is a feature from Google and you can find it in settings. This feature analyzes your phone's usage and gives you a complete report. It shows you how many times you've unlocked your phone, how many notifications you've got, how much time you're using your phone, and which apps you're using the most. So with all this information, you can know your usage and you can also limit your usage using this feature, which is a pretty cool thing. So let's say if you don't want to watch videos on YouTube for more than 1 hour in a day, we can put up such restrictions using this feature. Next we have wind down. This is another feature from Google which will help you sleep faster at night. Using this feature, we can schedule our phone to turn on grayscale mode and do not disturb mode automatically at a specific time. This is something I would definitely recommend you to try. Next, I'm going to show you how you can change your default apps. Whether you want to change your default launcher, default browser or anything, for that we need to first go to settings. Once you're in settings, select app management, then select default apps. Now from this page, you can change your default launcher, default SMS application, browser and so on. I would definitely recommend you to change your default browser to Google Chrome. Next, I'm going to show you how to display the battery percentage on the status bar. For that, go to settings, then select notification and status bar, and then enable this toggle. Once you do that, we can see the battery percentage on the status bar. Next, I'm going to show you how to record the screen on your phone. For that, first go to the toggles. And if you can't find the screen recording option, you need to click this button over here and search in the extra toggles. We have a dedicated toggle called Start Screen Recording. Just bring it up. And now we can start video recording just by using this toggle. Just click it and screen recording should start in 3 seconds. If your phone asks for any permissions, just grant them all. So guys, these are the most important tips and tricks for your phone. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video and definitely check out my video on best features. Link will be in the description. Now with that said, if you're planning to buy this phone, please use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.